If you're launching your game on one of the world's most recognizable platforms, there are a few things you need to know when it comes to reviews. Steam contains 4 tiers, also known as buckets, for reviews, which greatly affect your visibility and the ability to get your game out in front of other players. The bottom tier is if you have less than 10 reviews, the score isn't even visible for players to actually read. This is really bad as it prevents outreach, so getting your first 10 is critical. Tier 2 is between 10 and 50 reviews. At that point, you get access to your score, but you still lack the ability to get good visibility in front of players. The next one is above 50 reviews. This is where you want to be as quickly as you possibly can when launching your game, as that's when you start to get your score and you start to get that good visibility in front of players to actually try out your game. The final tier is at 500 reviews. This one is really tricky to capture as it requires a good marketing strategy as well as proper promotion. As you can tell, as a game developer, it is definitely important to encourage your players to leave reviews and to get as many as you possibly can as soon as you possibly can.